Magandang buhay ulit, class. This is the last part of the lesson on mathematical language. So, this is part 3, no, na video. Kasi mas gusto ko yung maiiksi lang na video lesson kesa dun sa isang mahaba. Baka ma-overwhelm kayo. So, let me share with you the PowerPoint. So, this is about other mathematical symbols. So, yung unang video is on mathematical language, no, yung nature, yung structure, yung yung properties, and then the second video is about converting English phrases into mathematical expressions and vice versa. So this video lesson is a continuation of the previous video, but this time we shall have other mathematical symbols. So ano-ano ba yung mga iba pang symbol? So ito, no, yung inequality sign. So ito yung A is greater than B, no? Pag dinidiscuss ko yan, parang ang ang clue or hint na binibigay ko ay yung symbol na yan parang si Pacman. Kung saan siya nakanganga, yun yung greater. Kasi di ba si Pacman matakaw yun? Hindi ko alam kung alam niyo pa yung ah, video game na Pacman, no? Yung nangangain siya ng mga dots. Baka hindi niyo alam yun, generational gap anyway. So, yan. So, pag binasa natin to, A is greater than B. Ito naman, pag binasa natin dahil nakanganga siya kay B, yung B yung greater. Pero pag binabasa natin kasi galing sa kaliwa eh. So, yung second one is A is less than B. No? So, ito is greater than, ito less than. So, yung value nung nasa left is greater than the value on the right. No? Basta kung saan nakanganga, yun yung greater. So, we have example 3 is greater than 2, but 2 is less than 3. And then we have the inequality sign. So, ano yung word expression is not equal to. I'm looking for the cursor. I couldn't find it. So, paano ginagamit? The two values are different. So, x is not equal to y. Okay? Ito naman is the approximate equal sign. So, ano yung word expression? Is approximately equal to. So, paano ginagamit? Two values are close to each other. For example, the sum of x and y equals approximately equal to z. Or, x plus y is approximately equal to z. So ito, yung sigma, no, or summation notation, summation sign. So, ano yung word expression? The summation of. Ano yung gamit? Sum of many or infinitely many values. So, ano yung expression, no? The summation of x, I, where I ranges from 1 to n. And then, umandar, the exclamation point. So, ano yon? Factorial, no? So, paano ginagamit? The product of all positive integral up to a certain value. For example, 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay? So, ano yung product? 24. And then we have the radical sign or the square root, no? If the index is 2. So, kung walang number, ang index ay 2. So, square root lang yun. So, the square root of algebraic expressions, no? So, halimbawa, the square root of 4. Ito naman is the percent sign. So, word expression, percent or proportion. So, we have 42.5%. And then the three dots, normally ginagamit sa proof, no? Ang word expression either for, so saan ginagamit? Logical statement or mathematical proof. For example, therefore, x equals y. So, kung ano yung prove mo, na-prove mo na x equals y. So, that ends the proof. And then this, uh, letter epsilon, no? Ang ibig sabihin is an element of. So, saan ginagamit? Sa sets. So, A is an element of set A. So, ito naman, subset, no? Word expression is a subset of. So, saan ginagamit? Sa set. So, A is a subset of B. This one is a subset. Pag walang yung bar sa ilalim, proper subset siya, no? Yung proper subset kasi palaging mas konti ang laman doon sa superset, no? Ito pwedeng maging equal eh. So, hindi siya proper subset. But still a subset. Ito naman, union, no? So, union ng sets. Paano yun? Pinagsasama yung lahat ng elements ng sets. So, A, union B. Lahat ng elements ng set A, tsaka elements ng B, pagsasamahin mo lang. And then intersection. So word expression, intersection, also used in set. So A intersection B, ano ibig sabihin nun? Yung element or elements na common to both sets. So yung element na makikita mo sa set A, pagkatapos makikita mo rin sa set B. Yun yung intersection nila. So let's give it a try. So convert each sentence into its appropriate mathematical symbol. So my yeast height is greater than or equal to 63 inches. Ano yung algebraic equation? So H for my yeast height greater than or equal to. So greater siya, pwede siyang greater, pwede rin siyang equal. So H is greater than or equal to 63. So, ito naman, algebraic equation. X plus 1, i-convert natin sa phrase or sentence. So, X plus 1 is greater than 70. So, 1 more than a number X is greater than 70. So, yun yung equivalent niya sa English phrase. 1 more than a number X is 70. And then, number 3, Mitch's weekly earnings at 80 pesos per hour were no more than 500 pesos, no more than. So, ibig sabihin, pinakamalaki na yung 500 pesos. Hindi na siya lalaki pa sa 500 pesos. So, paano ipakikita? So, 80 pesos times E, no? Yan. Ano yung E weekly earnings niya? Is less than or equal to 500. So, yung no more than, ang equivalent niya ay less than or equal to. Okay? So, the sum of M and J's age is less than their mom's age of 40. No? So, the sum of M and J's age. So, ano yung operation? Addition. So, let us say yung age ni M ay E at yung age ni J ay J. So, yung sum nun, E plus J is less than 40. No? Ed's age is at least 14. So, number 5, age, Ed's age rather is at least 14. At least 14. So, ibig sabihin, pwedeng mas lumaki pa o mas tumaas pa sa 14. So, E or Ed's age is greater than or equal to 14. So, yun na. Dapat malinaw sa inyo yung no more at saka yung at least. No more, hindi lalaki pa. So, less than or equal to. Yung at least, yun number ang pinakamaliit. So, pwedeng mas lumaki siya. This one, number 6, Ed's age is at most 16. At most naman ay yung 16 na yung maximum. So, this time, less than or equal to 16. Oh, exercise, ito naman, kayo na yung gagawa. This will now be your seat work for part 2 and part 3 of the video lessons that I shared with you. Again, I will just upload the exercises in the Google Classroom for you to work on. So, bye for now, class. I'll stop sharing and I'll stop recording. I hope you have a clear understanding of mathematical language and will be able to answer the exercises quite easily. So, see you when I see you, class. I'll stop recording.